Hi all, today I'm going to share a very unique tip which will definitely help you in doing your work faster in your professional environment. We all share different files with our colleagues and with our clients when the size is too big. So what how we do, we normally share the file. If the size is too small, we can share it by on the email. But if think about it, when we share this, when the size of the file is too big, we normally put it in any shared drive or in any drive, and we give the path. How we give any path to our customer? We go to the file, then we go to the info, then we copy the path from here. Copy is a path, but it's too big, right? So I will sharing a unique and a quick tip in which you don't even require to open a file. We normally click a right click in on every attachment. So I can't find any option here. So what's unique in this? Let me tell you a new way to click on it. Press shift and then click right click. Then you can see, oh, I see a new option here. A copy is a path. You copy that path and see, I have a complete path with shared drive name, with folders and the file name, and we can easily share it, and it's a very quick. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please do subscribe and like our videos and watch our channel for the more videos. Thank you so much.